Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the judgment of High Court of Delhi versus Devina Sharma. Twin issues arose before the Supreme Court in regard to challenge to eligibility requirements for appointment and selection to Delhi Higher Judicial Services. The first was the power of the High Court to prescribe a minimum age of 35 years for appearing in the DHGS JS examination, being contrary and repugnant to Article 233 and 235 of the Constitution of India. Second, the cutoff date was fixed for the determination of the age in view of examination not being convened in the preceding 2 years of 2019 to 20 and 2020 to 21 by the High Court. The Delhi High Court had issued notifications for conducting the examinations for DJS and DHJS on 23rd Feb 2022, fixing the last date initially on 20 March 2022 and 12 March 2022 and scheduling the examinations on 27th March and 20 March of 2022 for DJS and DHJS respectively. The challenge was to Rule 14C of Delhi Judicial Services Rules 1970, which stipulated the cutoff rate as 1st January and maximum age to be 32 years. The rule had been amended from time to time, however, by the time it came to be assailed, it prescribed a minimum age to be 32 years as on 1st January of the year in which the applications for appointment were invited. It was contended that since for two continuous years, that is 2019 to 2020 and 2022 to 2021, the examinations were not held, the candidates cannot be debarred by being subjected to eligibility bar under Rule 14C. On this issue, the High Court held that since for 2 years the examination could not be held due to the pandemic, when otherwise the candidates would have been eligible to appear in the examinations as a peculiar case and one-time measure. It directed that all such candidates who were eligible in the year 2020 and 2021 shall be permitted to appear for the examinations. This finding pertains to DGS examination. On the other issue of minimum age requirement of 35 years as the eligibility, the court relied upon the recommendations of the Shetty Commission report followed by the 3-judge bench of All India Judges Association versus Union of India, which had approved the fixation of minimum age of candidates for higher judicial services as 35 years and maximum to be 45 years. The court held that Wide para 26 in its judgment that the silences of the Constitution have to be and are supplemented by those entrusted with the duty to apply its provisions. The Constitution being silent in regard to the prescription of a minimum age, the High Courts in the exercise of their rule-making authority are entitled to prescribe such a requirement. Direct recruitment to the higher judicial service is intended to be from members of the bar who have sufficient experience. The post of a district judge is at a senior level in the cadre. Age is not extraneous to the acquisition of maturity and experience, especially in judicial institutions which handle real problems and confront challenges to liberty and justice. The High Courts are well within their domain in prescribing a requirement which ensures that candidates with sufficient maturity enter the fold of the higher judiciary. The requirement that a candidate should be at least 35 years of age is intended to subserve this, except for a short period when the requirement of a minimum age of 35 was deleted. The Delhi High Court has followed the norm.